Dude, when people see this video, they're gonna be like, where the were they even drinking?
Somewhere secret.
So we're headed to the Weezer and Panic at the Disco show, but before we go, needed some beer.
Is this left over from Nick's?
Yes, it is.
What's up, Nick?
Alright, so today we got Trogue's Scratch Beer Series Unfiltered French Style Saison. I haven't had this, but I've tried a few in the Scratch Beer Series, and Trogue's kills it every time.
Trogue's Scratch Chocolate. Stout, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was delightful. This is the old Southern Tier Double India Pale Ale.
It's the Tangier. It's got tangerine puree and other tangerine-ness in it.
What do you think Rivers from Weezer would like better?
I feel like he might be into the Saison.
I feel like he'd be into this.
This is kind of Weezer speed.
It's beautiful out here in the coal country. That's pretty good.
Dude, I'm not huge on Saisons, but this is actually pretty tasty.
Dude, I like IPAs. Double IPAs get a little hefty.
Yeah.
This is a good double IPA. I'd give this out of 5 stars, this is easily a 3. Easily a 3.5.
How noticeable is the tangerine? Is it like
I think the
prevalent,
tangerine, it's not super prevalent, but it's enough that I think it levels it out. Wow. That's a nice French style Saison. Trogue's.
We should visit Southern Tier next time we're up in New York.
We should.
I think they're just a little ways past Darien.
We should visit Trogue's sometime.
Yeah. Be like, I don't know, I see Mark Hunt knocking Brock Lesnar out.
Is that what you really see?
I gotta hope so.
I hope so.
I'm not
too.
sure if it's gonna happen, but I'd love to see it. Bodybuilding shit. Dude, surprisingly good IPA.
I really like this Saison. Oh, but
God
yes,
damn.
agreed. We're at Love's Truck Stop. Devin just ran in. I got some gas. We're on our way to the Weezer concert. Andrew McMahon starts in 10 minutes ago. I loved something corporate. We're probably going to miss Andy. Wait, what time does it close?
7.
What time are we going to get there?
Like a few after 7. We'll see how it goes. The 3 Guys in a Beard Brewing Company is closed.
Wait, we're going to 81, right?
That rules out Weezer and Panic.
Dude, that makes a lot more sense.
He said, never mind, this is AWOL Nation.
I mean, it always does.
Somehow.
What'd you find out about the pizza? I didn't think for 1 minute. Left? Which I was surprised by in general.
But she is a...
We can gate wherever we want.
I think so.
What's this guy doing?
What's up? Back up.
Back up?
Yep.
Dude, this place is mountainous.
Go left.
Devin on the eagle, the Eagles.
That's right, Devin on the Eagle Eye. Look at this. Right by the fence.
Sounds like the music's this way.
Thank you guys very much. You make me happy.
Are we recording this?
Yeah.
Dude, so the news station asked the senator, they're like, a lot of people are upset about your billboard that said...
Senses of the doing? Got hit in the head with a beach ball and almost broke my phone. All for Weezer.